All right, here we are, our second video. We're still starting out, but this is a good one. We have the full fireworks display at Epcot. We're at the Rose and Crown. Great place to watch the fireworks. The fireworks that we watched were
Epcot Forever.
Epcot Forever. It's changing over to
Harmonious.
Harmonious.
October 1st is changing over to Harmonious. Definitely recommend doing this, especially if you're going for the 50th in October, November, you know, right when it gets started. I would definitely suggest getting one of those reservations.
Agreed.
Of course.
We call it Epcot.
It's at the heart of our creation.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
One little spark. Lights up. Welcome to the future, or should I say, your future.
If we can dream it, then we can do it. Yes, we can.
you can plainly see, imagination works best when it's set free.
Making memories, catching little pieces of time, making them yours and making them mine. Veggie fruit, fruit, veggie fruit, fruit, veggie fruit, fruit, veggie fruit.
You'll see what living can be. It's hard to
May peace go with you forever and ever as you celebrate the future hand in hand. The dreams we dream, the hopes inside us, ignite the path we take to guide us.
hand in hand. The future is unfurled from just one spark. A whole new
Epcot is and will always be in a state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
Thank you for joining us for Epcot Forever. As you take your next steps into the future,
That was the remains of it. For us, it was our first time viewing them because we hadn't been back to the Disney parks for 7 years.
7 years.
So before that, we had been at least once a year for several years. I think this was, if I were to count, our 15th trip. So we had a bit of a pause in between. We don't plan on doing that again. Here's what I wanted to share with you. And again, I can do another video on this to show you exactly what I did. But in order to secure a fireworks reservation time at the Rose and Crown Pub, which has seating right along the water, I mean, you have a completely unobstructed view from there. I obviously could not book it directly through Disney's website because I waited too long. So I went to a website called touringplans.com, and I can link their website below. I have no affiliation with them, but I like to help people out by sharing the resources that I use. So touringplans.com has a wealth of information. I use them for everything from looking at the reviews of different restaurants, which I found to be very honest reviews. Once you subscribe to their website, you can use their reservation finder, and it's really easy to use. You just put in the time frame that you're looking for, the dates that you're looking for, and of course the restaurant, and they will search it for you. And when they find it, you will get a text and an email. Of course, they're finding it on Disney's website, so you have to remember that other people could pick that up just as well. It's not being held for you. So as soon as I would see a text from them, I'd be right on it. It links you right into the Disney website, and you just log in, put in your account information, and then hopefully snag the reservation. So they were able to get me the perfect time frame right before, it was an hour before the fireworks. We had requested an outside table. We could have seen the fireworks really well from where we were seated. However, once we were done eating our meal, our server came and escorted us to, if you go down like a flight of steps, and then there's another patio that's right against the water, and they just reseated us over there, brought our drinks over to us, and we were able to just relax in our own space. It was completely uncrowded, and we enjoyed the fireworks so much. I'd have to say, would you agree that was probably our favorite night of the entire trip?
Fireworks wise.
Yeah.
I definitely.
Well, yeah.
There were some Star Wars nights in Batu.
That's true. We had some good times in Batu.
Some lightsaber battles with
Yeah. But anyway, one last thing I want to say here is that if you are going to be attending for the 50th anniversary and you're going to be seeing Harmonious, then I definitely highly suggest snagging one of those reservations for Rose and Crown Pub. If none are available, try touringplans.com. Not only will you be able to use the reservation finder, but you'll get a wealth of other information. If this information was helpful to you, or if you enjoyed just being able to view the entirety of Epcot Forever in our video, please think about liking this video and subscribing. It'll definitely help us out, especially since we are just starting our journey here.
And you can say you were in on the ground floor.
I don't think we should be begging like that at the end.
I know.